Hello everybody, it's Tommy Stewart. Today I'm going to talk about $100 a day blueprint. And this has been created by Mohanraj Subramaniam. I do apologise to the gentleman if I didn't get his name right, but there you go, a good try. It will be released on the 12th of this month for the gigantic sum of $8. So don't worry about overspending on this one. I mean, $8. Now this guy says that he's put together a new method. As you see on the screen there, discover 3 profit machine. Well, that machine I think means machines plural, to generate continuous streams of income. I mean, I know that if you go into YouTube you will find hundreds of people offering to show you how to make $100 per day while sleepwalking, if you like, because it's a very popular topic. I've no reason to doubt this chap, because I mean it's worth a try, in as much as he says categorically that it's only $8 to have a go at it, and he gives you 60 days to contact him if you don't make any money, and he'll give you your $8 back. So I mean, for me, it can't be bad, can it? Also he I have put together 4 bonuses which are worth a heck of a lot more than $8. So I mean, you're quids in, aren't you? If you buy it for $8, you don't like it, you get your $8 back, and you've got the bonuses for nothing. Though I hope you won't do that, will you? You won't be naughty and do that. You wouldn't do a thing like that, would you? But there you have that. Fundamentally, that's it. You've got it in a hat. 4 bonuses, $8, $100 a day. This piece of software generates for you. You give you your money back if you don't make it. And there it is, 3 simple steps to consistent and achievable profits. That's I can tell it's not his language. Anyway, step 1, log in and watch step-by-step videos. Step 2, use our proven methods. Step 3, get profits on a daily basis. Start generating profits now, 24 hours later. Oh, there you go, your money back. Try this guide on my dime. There is no risk. Well, you know, there is no risk when he puts it that way. You pay $8, you don't get your $100 for the first day. You complain, he gives you your $8 back, and you get my bonuses. And these are my bonuses, and they're all in the same vein. $100 a day. How I made $100 in one day. Bonus 1. Top 3 ways to make $100 per day as a broke individual. Bonus 2. How to make an easy $100 in one day online in 2019. 1 hour of work. Bonus 3. And how to make $100 a day on Reddit. Again, this year, 2019. Can't be bad, can it? So these are my 4 bonuses I'm giving you. And, well, there you go. I've read everything else out to you. There's nothing much to it. Let's see. Newbie friendly profit system. 3 profit machine. We keep on calling 3 machines a machine. Hassle-free system, easy earnings, I've just read that, showing you that. Why you need to grab your copy today. Money back guarantee, add to cart, Bob's your uncle and Fanny's your aunt, and Richard's your Uncle Dick. So, I mean, what is there to say about this? If you go below and click on my website, you'll be taken to the website I've just shown you, where you can see my 4 bonuses and read up a little bit more about it if you like. But there isn't much more to tell you. This is a test to see what happens jobby, isn't it? But I think you've got to have a try at it. For $8, for Christ's sake. I mean, don't be too mean, will you? Have a bash. I feel like saying I'll give you $8 myself as well, as if you don't succeed, but no. No, $8 it is. You get your $8 back, you get the 4 bonuses, you keep them for nothing if it doesn't work, so your quid's in. I'm going to leave it at that. Best of luck to you, and God